Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 6 and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording feature. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel where you should find the screen recording toggle right here. Now before you tap on it, you want to hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it basically is set up. So number one, you have the sound, record system sound. Now I advise you to turn that on if you're planning to record some gameplays and stuff like that. And also if you're planning to record yourself on top of it, like what you're saying, you might want to add the microphone. For some reason it looks like I can have only one or the other, which is kind of stupid. So in this case, choose whichever one is the better option. It's not like you have a choice here, I guess, in terms of recording both of them. Then you have the display, so video resolution. I would go to 1080p. This will be the best quality, at least the best that this device can provide. 720p is, well, smaller in size, but it's going to be lower resolution. So people might not be, for instance, as interested in looking at it if you're doing this for YouTube as an example. And for 80p, I'll just stay away from that. There is no point even using that anymore. Then you have display orientation. Keep it as it is. It's going to be based on how you're holding the device when you're setting up normally. So if it's as it is right now, it's going to be the portrait. If it's going to be flipped over for gaming, it's going to be landscape. Now you could lock it to a specific orientation, so vertical or horizontal right here, which no matter how you're going to hold the phone, it will then record it in that way, which sometimes might look weird. So for instance, if you set it to horizontal, it will record this basically sideways. Then you have front camera, which will allow you to turn on the camera for recording as well. It will add a little circle that you can move around. That will just be using the front camera as a capture option. And once everything is set here, you can simply leave this area right here, tap on the toggle, just agree. Whatever it will ask you to agree to, just tap on allow, and from here tap on the red circle, and you can see right here, that's me. So you can move that around, and whatever you will do, everything will be recorded, apart from my sound right now, because it's recording the system sound, which isn't really playing anything. But for instance, games, then we'll have the system sound. Games use, well, system sound as a source of sound. So then sound from the games will be recorded, but not your voice, which might be a little bit weird considering I'm talking right now, but that won't be recorded at all. And also whatever you tap is also being recorded. As you can see, the circle under my finger, that's also basically where I'm touching. And from here, you can tap on stop and square, and the recording can be found in your gallery right here. So let's go to albums and the video right here. And that is it. So let's just agree again. So there we go. So you can see now it's recording everything that I've did. Now, like I said before, there is no sound from me saying anything, so it's kind of just completely muted. But yeah, that is basically how you would record a screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.